This is the third tutorial in a series about using character and paragraph styles within Word, and this time what we're going to do is look at what happens when you've finished your document and then you open up the styles menu and you realise that Word has been getting very busy behind the scenes and has been creating a new set of styles every time you make a change, because that's exactly what happens in Word. Every time you do something that it hasn't seen before, it creates a new style, and what you end up with is a list of various styles that look a little bit like this. Reams and reams and reams of the thing. And so what you need to do is to start to unpick it. And the way to do this is to decide which your main styles are going to be, and then methodically go through applying that style, those styles in the relevant places. So for instance, let's decide that body text is going to be the main style that we choose to define the majority of the body text in. All of the other things that say body text plus 12-point font, we're going to replace with body text. So what we do is click on the first one, and we right mouse click on the first style that we want to get rid of. We see how many instances of it there are, select one instance. You can just see just there that that is the only place in the whole of the document that this style is applied. So we're pretty happy that we can get rid of that. So we've got that area selected, that tiny bit there. I'm going to click on body text to apply that style, and then you'll see that this style has it's not currently used anywhere, so we can delete that. Yes, I want to delete it. And then down to the next one. The next one has 79 instances, and this is body text plus first line of 1.27 centimetre indent. I don't really want that, so I'm going to click on body text there. And sometimes Word does a really nice job, and as soon as you're not using one of these paragraph styles, it deletes it for you, and that's exactly what it's done here. Let's look at body text 2, select all 3 instances, again not very heavily used. Just up here we're going to apply body text, and you can see Word got rid of it for me. And then the next one, body text 3, select all 11 instances, and we're going to apply body text to that, and that's got rid of it. And so we just go through methodically all the way until we've got a much cleaner styles palette here. Select all 276, apply body text, and so on. What you have to be really careful of doing this though is that you're not overwriting some style information that you really want to keep. And this is why it's so important to use paragraph and character styles in the first place. You don't want anybody overwriting your work. Take this one, body text plus italic. Now if we select those instances, you can see that italics have been used in this document, but they've just been applied locally. So what we really need to do now is define a new character style to make sure that these are protected. So let's call it italic. It's going to be a character style. We know that it's italic because we've got that text selected already. We OK that, and now those are defined as a proper character style. They're not as part of some weird hybrid of a paragraph style. And we continue going through all of these various options. Select all one instance. That's just down there if you can see that. Apply body text instead. Until the document is a lot cleaner.